Hi, besties. For the month of July, $700 is my budget for the month. But for this video, I'll be looking at my fourth paycheck for the month of July. So if that interests you, let's go ahead and get started. So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Karen, and I'm so glad that you're here with me today. I do want to let you know I do not have mortgage or rent because my home is already paid for, and I typically just focus on real estate taxes, which is due twice a year. So that's just to give you a summary, just in case if you're wondering why I never have mortgage or rent, and that is why. All right, so my fourth paycheck for the month of July, my budget was $265.35. But let me get situated first so we can go ahead and get started. Let me go to my monthly here first. So for last week, I didn't save anything. I didn't do any savings last week. So I need to go ahead and update that. So this week, my goal is to save. I did end up taking $50 out, but I did end up using some of that $50. So I will only be saving $37. Now I had budget to do $50 in savings. So I'm definitely going to have to update that in my paycheck budget for the week. But let me get my print out so hopefully you can see it, and I'm going to walk you through my budget. So since I didn't do any cash stuffing last week, that remained in balance from my third paycheck. Let me go here. My third paycheck right here, and my remaining balance, what is that, $41? Well, like I said earlier, I didn't cash stuff anything. So that $41.54 is carried forward to my next paycheck. Because I have inconsistent income, I typically don't do a zero base, and I would just carry it forward, and that's why I notated here in my budget planner. So that's typically how I would start off with my carry forward balance if I have anything left over. So I was able to earn $168.59 on my Etsy shop. If you purchase items on my Etsy shop, thank you so much. I really, truly appreciate you. And I wish I could thank all of you individually, but just know that I'm greatly appreciated. And then also, I did end up earning $11.39 on Amazon. I was totally shocked about that. I didn't even have that in my budget. Then some of the items that I had received in my cloth and paper subscription box, I did sell those. So I did a cloth and paper distash, and I earned $43.83. So with the carry forward, Etsy, Amazon, and cloth and paper, my total income $265.35. So for this paycheck, I didn't have any fixed expenses personally, but for my daughter insurance, I ended up paying that, and that was $189. And I was able to get out, and did treat myself, and I spent $25.36 when I ate out. So I did do that. But then also, I did end up spending some of the money when I went to the ATM. Because I took out $50 when my daughter took me to the ATM, guys. I hadn't been out in months now. So when I went out, I was like, oh wow, so many different changes has occurred that I haven't seen. And my daughter was like, Mom, I gotta take you out. Because things have changed. And like I said, I hadn't been out in a long time. I've been homebound since last year. So I haven't been out since November of last year. So a lot of things have changed. Things have been built up, and I was just totally shocked. So I did spend $13 out of that $50. So like I said, I had budgeted to save $50. That's why I went to the ATM and took the $50 out, because I was planning on saving, and I wanted to go to cookout. So I went to cookout. So I spent $13 of that. So I have to add the $13 to my variable and then deduct the $13 that I had planned on saving for this paycheck budget. I had went to Cookout because I wanted to grill. I wanted a burnt hot dog. I haven't had one since I don't know when. And so I was like, I wanted to go there. And she took me there. And so that is what I got. But let me go ahead and correct this. So I will only be cash stuffing. I gotta deduct that $13 from the $50 to see how much that I'll be cash stuffing for this particular paycheck budget. But I do want to say, because of your Etsy orders, because I was able to stash some of the cloth and paper subscription items that I received, I was able to pay my daughter's car insurance. And then also, I was able to treat myself. And like I said, I hadn't been out in a long time. So please keep me in your prayers to build up my strength, to build up my health. Cause I've been isolated and it's been depression and all those type of things. Alright, so let me update my totals cause I'm gonna have to update my spreadsheet as well for that. Let me write this amount here. I'm gonna add that $13 to my variables. I got that. And now let me update here and add the $13 here. But I need to white out the variable amount too. Cause I had the wrong amount there. Alright, so now that I whited that part out, let me add the line item there, the $13. And then I'm gonna add them both together. And let me know in the comments, how are you doing with your paycheck budget? Are you within your budget? Are you over budget? Let me know in the comments. Alright, so now that I'm adding the $13 to the variable expenses, my new total is $38.36. Alright, let me add that amount in there. And then let me add the right savings amount down there. And now I need to update my totals, because now my fixed and variable expense total is different. I'm not going to white out that total. Just going to place the line there and let me add up the fixed and the variable so I can jot down my new total. So my new total is $227.36. And let me go ahead and write that there. Alright, I got the right amount. And let me go ahead and add the savings. It's $37. And now let me calculate to see what my remaining balance would be for this paycheck budget after updating those totals. Alright, so it still should be 99 cents. Yep. So my remaining balance is 99 cents. So thank you guys for supporting me so much. I truly, truly appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and engage with me in the comments. Tap the thumbs up. And I think I'm good to go. I think I'm good to go. Alright. I've updated all of my totals. Now let me go ahead and add the $37 to my monthly calendar. Alright, bestie, I think that's it. So have an awesome day. Toodles!